Hello, good day. I am Cadet Galbuena Heraldson and Gilbert, and today I will talk about the Sart. The Sart stands for Search and Rescue Transponder. This is an electronic device that, that automatically reacts to the emission to a reader. The Sart has a receiver that sends signals to the X-band reader that has 9.2 to 9.5 gigahertz. If the Sart or the search and rescue transponder receives signals, it immediately transmits 12 pulses with the same frequency to the reader. The Sart's main purpose is to help the ship or the rescuer to automatically find the position or detect the distressed vessel or the life raft. That's all. Thank you.